They say that money can't buy love. Which is good, because I don't have any. Still, February 14th is not the day to show up empty-handed. Luckily, there are lots of ways to impress someone on the cheap. Now we show our staff's favorite budget-friendly Valentine's Day gifts for friends, lovers, and loved ones, at prices that you'll love. Number 1, cook once, eat all week. Users said, I love the concept of this book and I think it will save a lot of people time in the kitchen. I love to cook and already meal prep on the weekend, so I bought this book to see how it could possibly be a resource for my nutrition clients. I think that it delivers in that respect. Especially for people that are not used to already eating healthy. If I am basing the review on usefulness for myself, I would give it 3 stars. A lot of the recipes have nightshades, which I currently can't eat. If it was just tomatoes, I would omit, but it's spices, barbecue sauce, tomato sauces, etc. Also, some of the recipes, I would not classify as a full meal. For instance, barbecue meat over rice is not a full meal for me, or stuffed avocados would not fill up myself or my husband. So for some of the recipes, I would have to look at ahead of time, and plan to add more veggies to them to complete a dish. Other than that, I can applaud all of the hard work that clearly went into the book. It just wasn't a total home run for me personally. Check video description to get more details. Number 2, the carnivore diet. Users said, I very much enjoyed this book and equally enjoy people experimenting with different diets. The current path society is on is not working, and instead of accepting this MSM is doubling down on ignorance. Most nutritional experts are universally against this diet, and I think that says a lot. Every day are bombarded with propaganda about how healthy veganism is, yet most people who have tried this way of living will tell you long-term you will not do well. Sean Baker is showing a different path and I very much appreciate his contributions to diet science. Check video description to get more details. Number 3, the Fast Metabolism Diet Cookbook. User said, I have lost 35 pounds so far. Only 50 pounds to go. The book is written beautifully with a touch of humor here or there. She explains the science behind the diet, the foods, and the human body and its metabolism. I have never been able to stick to a diet before this one. It's easy because you see results each week, you never have a reason to feel hungry, and you only have to exercise 3 times per week. Of course you can exercise more if desired. Check video description box. We provide all the Amazon product links. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.